Hi guys, in Keynsham, just going to go for our midday snack. And I see our sky artist has been out there flying. Oh, he's just doing another one over there. That's annoying. I'd have swapped cameras and zoomed in to see if we could actually see the aeroplane. That's a very neat circle. Well, there we go. I think that's it. I don't think he's going to put a nose on it. At that price, I've got to buy it. $1.99. It's crazy. Hi guys. Just been to Keynsham, charity shop, Gold or Garbage. Picked up 2 items. And it is such a lovely day, we've stopped in the station car park. I don't know if you can see around. Yeah, stopped here and I thought I'll do my little talk from here. Oh, didn't look that way, did we? Yeah, up into the woods there. Anyway, I think you can see what I've got. We'll do the little one first. Recognised that as soon as I saw it in the box. They only wanted 50p for it, and I thought it'd be handy to have it. The solar panel and the gearbox. I don't like the slope. No. Anyway, you've probably seen the one that I've made from the kit. So I just thought, yep, little solar panel, gearbox, small motor, handy to have. And then the other obvious thing that I've got here, can't shut them up now, is Action Man Jeep. Or at least I say Action Man. I haven't actually checked that it's a genuine Action Man. (1993) Hasbro. Something's rattling around in there, I don't know what. Something in the back there. Obviously it's not in perfect condition. It's got one door, it's missing the other one. Aerial's broken on the back there. It's missing the gun, or whatever it is that goes there. I expect there was probably missiles in there. Oh yeah, Action Man written right across the back, now I find it. And normally when I spot these in charity shops, they usually want a silly price for them. So I look at them, take a picture of them and put them back. But then I looked at the label on this one, £1.99. I thought, well, at that price I simply cannot leave it in the shop. Got to have it. The wheels are free running on an axle through there, so you probably could convert it to a powered vehicle. There's a fair bit of space under the back there. You might be able to squeeze a motor and gearbox in. On the other hand, you just put your Action Man in there and tow it along. Or push it, push or pull, and you could video that and nobody would be any the wiser. So, quite pleased with that. Yeah. So £2.99 and 50p for the little dinosaur. Not too bad. And just to add, I filmed that using my little bracket I'd made up for my tripod, so I can just put my phone on there. I've got the wind protectors on the phone at the moment, so hopefully we haven't got any wind noise, or reduced wind noise. Not that there's much wind today anyway. There we go. Oh, top fell off. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.